Stephen Hawking once hinted that humans would struggle to resist the temptation to modify genes, predicting the emergence of genetically modified superhumans within the century who would dominate the world. As wealthy individuals gained the ability to edit their own and their children's DNA, they may disregard legal prohibitions on genetic engineering, turning themselves and their offspring into superhumans with enhanced memories, disease resistance, intelligence, and longer lifespans. What was once science fiction is rapidly becoming frightening reality. On November 26, 2018, the birth of Lulu and Nana sent shockwaves in the entire world. These were the first genetically modified human babies, created by Professor He Jiankui from Southern University of Science and Technology in China. The professor exploited the desire for HIV-positive couples to have virus-free children. In doing so, he used CRISPR technology, or gene scissors, to modify the CCR5 gene in embryos, theoretically making them immune to the infection. He publicly announced the CCR5 gene of those twins had been modified, enabling them to be naturally resistant to the HIV virus upon birth. And he claimed to have successfully created the world's first HIV-immune twins. This news spread quickly and instantly caused an uproar in the scientific community, because CRISPR has already been utilized for various research purposes, whether in creating genetically modified crops or repairing disease-causing genes, but it has never been used to alter human embryos. In fact, since the discovery of genes, humans have sought to understand and be able to control the building blocks of our lives. He Jiankui was the first to break this long-standing scientific taboo. Some supporters argue that He made significant scientific advancement. They view the creation of HIV-immune babies through gene editing as a monumental leap in science and our mastery over life's possibilities. Some others see this as humans playing the role of God, challenging the very essence of natural creation. The most pressing concern is the potential for unrestrained use of gene modification technology and its consequences for society and future generations. In response to these concerns, 18 scientists and ethicists from 7 countries called for a global ban on clinical applications of human germline editing. About 30 countries have legislation prohibiting all uses of this technology. The movie Gattaca explores a future where genetically engineered children are born without disease factors, becoming society's elites. This scenario highlights how gene editing could lead to societal division and exclusion, rather than improving humanity as a whole. It raises questions about genetic discrimination, privacy, and the potential creation of a biological underclass. The film serves as a cautionary tale, reminding us of the ethical implications and unforeseen consequences of genetic engineering. He Jiankui was named one of Nature's top 10 scientists of 2018 and listed in 2019's Time 100, the most influential people of the entire year. However, over 100 scientists worldwide condemned He for violating ethics and laws. The National Health Commission of China, the Chinese Academy of Engineering, the Chinese Academy of Sciences, and the United States National Institutes of Health were alarmed. In the end of 2019, He Jiankui was sentenced to 3 years in prison by the Chinese court and fined 3 million yuan for illegal medical practice. I believe that firstly, He Jiankui's experiment violated basic ethical principles. The 2 twins, Lulu and Nana, are devoid of their consent to alter their and their future generations' lives. Them, being only about 5 or 6 years old, might face unknown physiological changes. Will they be allowed to marry in the future? Will they be stripped of their reproductive rights? If they're allowed to reproduce, what impact will it have on humanity in the coming years? Only time will tell. Secondly, this experiment violates regulatory guidelines. the lack of oversight and regulation in genetic engineering poses significant risks. Without proper controls, there is a danger of creating a divide between genetically enhanced individuals and those who are not. This could lead to new forms of discrimination and exacerbate existing social inequalities. Moreover, the absence of a global consensus on the ethical boundaries of genetic modification leaves room for exploitation and potentially dangerous experiments. In conclusion, I think that being able to experience birth, aging, illness, and death is quite frankly what defines human life. Life is a balanced process with gains and losses. True human progress lies not in the limitless application of technology, but in using technology to maintain our species' integrity in the face of our challenges.